Maya lived in a house overflowing with toys, but she had a hungry heart. She wanted every new gadget she saw on her screen. Her room was a mountain of plastic and wires, yet Maya always felt empty. "I just need one more thing," she would cry. On her birthday, Great-Aunt Gertrude arrived with a plain cardboard box. "This," she whispered, "is the never-ending box. Whatever you wish for, you can pull it out. But remember, you must truly use what you take." Maya's eyes went wide. She reached in and shouted, "I want the Mega Glow tablet!" Zap! A pulsing purple tablet appeared. She played for 5 minutes, got bored, and tossed it. By noon, the room was so full Maya couldn't even find her bed. She was trapped in a forest of toys that didn't love her back. She sat on a pile of drones and sobbed. "I have everything in the world, so why am I so sad?" Her old robot bot beeped, "Maya, you don't want us. You just want the feeling of getting us." Maya looked at her hands. They were always grabbing, never giving. She whispered to the box, "I want to share." The golden string on the box began to glow like a sun. The cardboard shifted, grew, and turned into a sturdy red wagon. Maya didn't wish for more. She started loading. One by one, she packed her things into the wagon. She pulled that heavy wagon all the way to the city park, feeling a strange new excitement in her chest. She saw a little boy drawing in the dirt. She handed him the Mega Glow tablet. His face lit up like a firework. She gave the unicorn to a girl who had no toys at all. Suddenly, the park was full of laughter and play. Maya realized she wasn't losing her toys. She was finally using them to make the world bright.